So in this video, we're going to be working with the angle addition postulate, right? Very similar to what we saw with the segment addition postulate is the same, right? So the measurement of angle AOC, so it's the big angle AOC, right, is the measure of angle AOB plus the measure of angle BOC, right? So those two angles, when I add those measures, they equal the whole angle. So in this one, I have that angle UKL is 130, so UKL is this one. And I have that JKU, let's mark it, is 32, right? So I want to know the measure of the whole angle. So I want to know the measure of angle JKL. So this angle is going to equal the measure of equals 130 plus 32. So that means that is 162 degrees. So the next one, I'm going to add angle FU2T. FUT is this one right here. So it's 75 degrees. VUF is this one is 52. Right, so the measure of the entire angle. So the measure of angle TUV, or it's the same, right? Because as long as I have the vertex in the middle, this is the same angle as TUV is the same angle as VUT. Equals to 52 plus 75. So this is 137 or 127. 127. Okay, so the next one, IJW. I angle IJW is the one that I want to find. So let's name that, let's write X there. So WJK is 80 degrees. And the entire angle, so this big angle IJK is 170. Right? So in this case, if I add X plus 80, that has to equal to 170. So if I subtract 80 on both sides, I have that X equals 90 degrees. So that means that the measure of angle IJW equals 90 degrees. Okay, so the next one, I have angle DEF. So this is the entire angle. Angle DEF is 178. I know that angle DEJ, so this angle right here is 22x plus 2. And then this angle over here is 37x minus 1. So angle JEF is 37x minus 1. So I know that this one plus this one equals the entire angle. So 22x plus 2 plus 37x minus 1 equals 178. So I'm going to start by simplifying over here. So this is 59x plus 1 equals 178. I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides. So 59x equals 177. And now I'm just going to divide by 59. So that means that x equals to 3 degrees. Next one, okay, angle KED. KED, so this one right here is 110, right? FEK is -1 plus 23x. And FED, so the entire angle, this entire angle is 58x plus 4, right? So now I have that 110, so this angle plus this other angle over here, -1 plus 23x equals the entire angle, so equals 58x plus 4. So I have 109 plus 23x equals 58x plus 4. So I'm going to subtract 23x on both sides. So 109 equals 35x plus 4. If I subtract 4 on both sides, I get 105 equals 35x. And now I'm just going to divide by 35. So x equals 3 degrees. Okay, so now we want to find angle EFW. For that, segment addition postulate, right? So in this case, I'm just going to identify my information. So it's telling me that EFG, so the big angle equals 31. Let me go step by step. So the angle EFG is going to equal to this angle right here. So the measurement of angle EFW plus the measurement of this other angle over here. So the measurement of WFG. So I'm just going to substitute the information. So 31x minus 3 equals EFW is 9x minus 3 plus WFG is 110, right? Because I need to find x so I can find EFW, right? So I'm just solving this equation. Minus 3 equals 9x, right? X plus 107, right? So I'm going to subtract 9x on both sides. So 22x minus 3 equals 107 plus 3 on both sides. So 22x equals 110. And I'm going to divide by 22 on both sides. So x equals 5. Now I'm going to plug that information right here. So the measure of angle EFW equals 9 times 5 minus 3. So 45 minus 3 equals 42 degrees. And that's my answer on this exercise. Okay, so on the second one again, I have measure of angle GHI is a big one, equals the measure of the angle GHU plus the measure of the angle UHI, right? So let's find the information. So I have GHI 58x here, GHU equals 12x minus 2 plus 140. And I'm just solving that equation. So 58x equals 12x plus 138. I'm going to subtract 12 on both sides. So this is 46x equals 138. And I'm going to divide by 46 on both sides. So 138 divided by 46. So x equals 3. This right here, let me fix something here. This is an 8. Perfect. So now I want to find angle GHU. So angle GHU is 12x. So measure of angle GHU equals 12 times 3 minus 2. So 36 minus 2 equals 34 degree. Now, the last one. So angle DEF, measure of angle DEF equals measure of the angle DEY plus the measure of angle YEF. So DEF is 157 equals DEY equals x plus 32 plus 2x plus 125. So 157 equals 3x plus 157 minus 157 on both sides. So 0 equals 3x, and I'm going to divide by 3. So that means that x equals 0. But I want to find angle DEY. So I'm just plugging in that information. So angle DEY equals 0 plus 32. That equals to 32 degree. And That's it for this lesson.